Hey everyone, today we are not going to talk about system design, but a very important topic. Being a skilled software engineer requires continuous learning and improvement. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, there are always opportunities to enhance your skills. In this video, I'll share top 15 practical tips to become a better software engineer. So let's get started. Number one, master the fundamentals. You need to invest time in mastering the core concepts of software engineering, such as data structures, algorithms, and design patterns. Okay. Strong fundamentals serve as a solid foundation for advanced development. Cool. Number two, read and write code regularly. So, practice makes us perfect, right? You should dedicate time reading high quality code written by experienced developers. Additionally, consistently writing code will improve your problem solving skills and familiarize you with different programming paradigms. Cool. Number three, be proficient in at least one language. While it's important to be versatile, having expertise in at least one programming language is crucial. Deep understanding of a language would enable you to write efficient, clean, and maintainable code. Cool. Number four, learn new language and technologies. You need to stay updated with emerging technologies and programming languages. Expanding your skill set will open doors to new opportunities and broaden your problem solving capabilities as well. Number five, embrace open source projects. Contributing to open source projects not only strengthens your programming skills but also exposes you to collaboration with experienced developers. And this invaluable experience will always enhance your understanding of best practices. Point number six, leveraging online learning resources. You need to take advantage of online platforms, tutorials, and courses to enhance your knowledge. Platforms like YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, they offer a wide range of programming courses. Number seven, build real world projects. Practical experience is invaluable. You need to undertake personal projects that mimic real world scenarios to gain hands on experience and learn how to tackle complex problems. Point number eight, practice debugging. Debugging is a critical skill. You need to learn how to effectively debug your code by utilizing tools and techniques that help identify and resolve issues efficiently. Point number nine, follow industry best practices. You need to stay updated with industry standards, coding conventions, and design principles. Adhering to best practices ensures your code is maintainable and scalable as well. Point number 10, write unit tests. Unit testing is essential for producing robust and reliable code. Familiarizing yourself with testing frameworks and writing test cases will validate the behavior of your code. Right. Point 11, collaborate with peers. You need to engage in discussions with fellow developers to gain insights and learn from their experiences. Collaborating on projects will expose you to different perspectives and foster growth. Point number 12, seek feedback. You do not need to hesitate to seek feedback on your code. Constructive criticism will always help you identify areas of improvement and will always promote self growth. Point number 13, understand performance optimization. Efficient code is essential for software performance. Okay. Learning techniques to optimize algorithms, and minimize resource usage to create high performing applications will always boost your career. Point number 14, attend tech conferences and meetups. Participating in tech conferences and local meetups will always provide you exposure to industry experts, networking opportunities, and will also give you a chance to learn about the latest trends and best practices in the industry. Cool. Point number 15, maintain a healthy work-life balance. This is very important point. Software engineering can be demanding, but it's important to prioritize your well-being. Maintain a healthy work-life balance to prevent burnout and sustain long-term success is the key. Okay. Becoming a better software engineer is a lifelong journey that requires dedication and continuous learning. I believe by following these 15 actionable tips, you can enhance your skills, stay up to date with industry trends, and unlock new opportunities in the ever evolving field of software engineering. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Also, feel free to comment if you have any questions, or if you feel I missed any point. Okay, cool. Thank you.